Hey guys, okay, so this is going to be your science lesson for today, Tuesday. It's on Tsunamis 9.5. That is science book pages 139 and 140. Yesterday you should have reviewed the review video that I posted on Edmodo through YouTube. And just a reminder, you have a test next Thursday with a study guide going out this Thursday. All right, so we are going to just read through Tsunamis, and I'm going to ask you a few questions, and then you will go on to finish your workbook, page 140. This will not be graded, so it will not be submitted on Edmodo, but I do expect you to have it completed so we can check it off when we get back to school after spring break. Okay. So first, I'm going to tell you a little bit about tsunamis, then we're going to start reading. So a tsunami is a series of large ocean waves that are caused by an underwater earthquake or volcanic eruption. So it can be caused by an underwater earthquake or volcano. The word tsunami is a Japanese word that means harbor wave. Most people often mistake a tsunami for a tidal wave. Tides have nothing to do with tsunamis. The Earth's surface can be greatly affected by a tsunami. Coastal plains can be reshaped by the driving forces of the water and the waves. Tsunamis can wipe out entire islands. They can also deposit, which is bring, a large amount of debris and soil miles inland. Inland is away from the coast. All right, so we are going to start reading page 139. It says, volcanoes and earthquakes occur on dry land or deep underwater on the ocean floor. The underwater volcanic eruptions and earthquakes can cause a series of large ocean waves called a tsunami. In the deep ocean, these waves are only 3 feet high. But as they move to shallower coastal water, the waves grow. So basically, way deep in the ocean, these waves are like the height of Sutton. And then as they come in with the pressure of them moving in and how fast they're moving in, the waves are going to get increasingly bigger, dangerously bigger. It says that they can reach the height of 100 feet. I'm 5 feet, so 95 feet taller than me. These waves can also travel 500 miles per hour, so super fast. You can see on that top picture, this is just what an actual tsunami looks like. These waves coming in, and you can see that the sidewalk and the guardrail, so you don't fall off of this bridge, is right there. Compared to that, you can see how high it is. Down at the bottom of page 139, it shows you the disaster a tsunami left behind. It says, in 2011, a powerful underwater earthquake caused a tsunami to hit Japan. The waves of the tsunami destroyed many areas of the country. Excuse me. All right. Flip over to page 140. It says, the power, speed, and volume of water in a tsunami can cause serious damage to coastlines. The water can carry debris, soil, and sand inland for miles. The strong waves can destroy entire islands. Okay, that top picture also shows you more of the damage that a tsunami can do. So we're going to think back. I'm going to answer this question since you guys aren't here with me to answer it, but it says, what causes a tsunami? Well, we've talked about it twice now, an underwater earthquake or an underwater volcanic eruption. And these are on the ocean floor. They're not just like randomly floating in the ocean. They're like stuck down on the ocean floor. How can tsunamis affect people living on the coast? Well, it can destroy their lands and homes. It can cover up the land with debris, and it can uproot trees and harm wildlife living in the area. It also can be very harmful to people if they experience tsunamis as well. So for you to complete the assignment on page 140, I'm just going to read the directions for you. It says, look at the diagram of a tsunami, which is that little picture down below. Write the numbers 1 through 4 in the blanks to put the sentences in correct order. So you have a sentence that says, the water at sea level moves to form waves. One section of the ocean floor drops while another section rises suddenly. High waves build near the coastline and crush onto the land, or sections of water drop and rise when the ocean floor moves. So, just think back to what I said. It says in the deep ocean, it says the underwater volcanic eruptions and earthquakes can cause a series of large ocean waves. In the deep ocean, these waves are only 3 feet high, but as they move to shallower coastal waters, the waves grow. So that should help you figure out some of this, and you should know how it first starts. So good luck. Tomorrow we will be focusing on the Tech Connect, which is the last part of this section. And then again, I know I've already reminded you this multiple times, Thursday will be your study guide and a little volcanic at home project. Okay.